everybody, my name is Christer Lund and I am from Sweden, Uppsala. I want to show you my project car for 2019. This is Ford Mustang Mach 1 1970. It's original with M-code engine, 4-speed top loader, 3.5 rear end with a Detroit locker. The sad thing is that I am missing all the original parts. This car have probably been stripped in a junkyard and then after a couple of years exported to Sweden. And I am the third owner here in Sweden, and I will try to fix this car in 2019, so it will be a driver, not a nice car. I will just have a rat road to start with. And I'm going to show you some pictures from the car today. And now when you have seen all the pictures of the car, you probably understand that I need some positive feedback. And I wish you all a happy new year and a great 2019. And I'll see you all again soon. Bye.